Does Java support multiple inheritance? To avoid ambiguity and confusion, Java does not support multiple inheritance. That is, a class cannot extend more than one class. If you try to extend a class more than one class, it will give error saying that class cannot extend multiple classes. For example, if your class C extends class A and class B, which have a method with the same name, then class C will have two methods with same name. This causes ambiguity and confusion for which method it needs to use. To avoid this confusion, Java does not support multiple inheritance. Do we have any other way to implement multiple inheritance in Java? Yes, we can implement multiple inheritance through interfaces. In one interface can extend any number of interfaces. So Java does not support multiple inheritance through classes. It will support through interfaces.